operated diaphragm pump here. It's a beast. This thing's awesome. A 3-way valve for flushing, tanks for holding chems, raw chems, bulk water tank, mixed tank. Hose reels galore. Metering system here. That way I can meter my chemicals and put just the right amount that I want. This is pretty awesome. Homemade. All right, let's do some washing. Sorry about the flip-flops, but I carry boots with me when I have cookie cutter houses like this with low cut grass. Can't beat Crocs, can't beat them. So I take it when I can get it. It always takes a few seconds for the soap to come out. I always cool the house down first. Cools the temperature, cools it off so it don't flash dry on. So now I've got chems, you can see it. I'll start at the bottom and work my way up. Don't need a lot on it, it just really needs to come in contact with it. Sorry if this video is a little shaky. I've got it mounted on my head on a head mount, and it's so everywhere I look the camera's moving. I hope you don't get dizzy, but trying to be able to capture this in my normal routine without having to hold anything. That's pretty coated up there. And I'll come back and hit it behind these. And by the time I'm done chemming this side up here, you'll already be able to see the visual results over there where I just applied it. See how easy that is to reach them peaks? No changing tips, none of that crap. Easy work, baby. Yeah, you can see it's already. I'll come back and give it some touches. All right, now I'll go pull my drop stick tube out of my detergent and let that dwell on there maybe 2 minutes. You don't need long. It's in the shade right now, so that helps us a lot. Come over here, and this is what's introducing the chemical into my line, this right here. I'm gonna pop that out. Now I'm ready to rinse. Some people coat up the whole house, the entire house first with chems, and come around and rinse because it's less walking for downstreamers, but I don't like doing that here in North Carolina because it's so hot and it's so easy to let this stuff dry, and when it dries, problems happen. I don't mind walking a little bit and getting extra exercise and making sure that windows don't dry and spot up, make sure there's no, it just works better for me. I think it's better. So I'd split the house up in quadrants and I wash it that way. I mean, look at this house, it's already popped.